Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. In the auto up position, the window drops once it gets to the top, and it's driving my daughter crazy. You could go up manually, little by little, and it stays up. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. All right, guys, we need to remove the door panel. In order to do that, we need to remove this piece first, and this thing just pops right up. So get yourself one of these trim removal tools and get it under here and pop this up. All right, now this comes out, and now you want to pop these switches. You just got to press on these tabs. All right, so press on that and pull up. Same thing with this one. Okay, press on this. Next, remove this 10mm bolt. Next, go behind this handle, and there's a little cover here. There's a bolt in the back there. You can just pop this off, and there's a bolt right back there. All right, guys, here's a trick. You're gonna put a little piece of paper towel, just stick it in there like that, because this thing is all the way back there, and when you start taking it out, you don't want to carefully bring it out. All right, see, came with it. Okay, now you're ready to pop just pull it. There you go. And then from the top, it's just gonna slide up like that. They just pull up and hook it from here, and then they come out. Now that the panel's off, right here, this little square piece, this is where the motor is. These 3 bolts hold it in place. So you have this cover, and there's supposed to be a cover here. Somebody must have been in here already before, but see this button? You're gonna press that button, but we gotta go through a procedure to do it, okay? Next, you're gonna take this piece, plug the wires back in, and then close the door. Just grab something over here to close it. All right, and now we're gonna turn this on to the on position, and now we're ready to do our procedure. Okay, so we're gonna manually, not the auto, manually bring this up. Okay, and now we're gonna press the button, okay, on the door there, and then manually go down. Don't use the auto function. Manually go all the way down. Now let it go, and manually again go all the way up. Okay, now that should be it. All right, we're gonna pull on this one with the ball on it to unlock the car, and let's see if it works. There you go, guys. Now we just got to put everything back together. All right, guys, unplug the wires from this. All right, guys, to put these on, just gonna put them in the hole and then slip it into here like that. And this top one, same thing. Slip the ball in place, and then you're gonna, that's it. Again, this wire. Make sure you slip the wires out. All right, guys, we're gonna slip this from the top first, same way we took it off. Once it does that, then you could pop it in place. Now we gotta put the screws. Pop this thing back in. All right, plug this back in. And then it just pops in place. All right, guys, auto down. And now it's going to go up without dropping. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.